Hello everyone, I'm going to give you a tour of 647 Noble Road in Marysville. Stay tuned to the end because I have a great tip for you if you're thinking about putting your home on the market soon. Come on in. This house is very spacious, 2240 square feet, and it sits on about 0.89 acres. We're in the District 10 area of Marysville, so you're surrounded by a lot of agriculture. Enjoy this large concrete patio space, built-in barbecue with granite countertop, and this lovely outdoor setting with matured walnut trees and plenty of space for any of your outdoor hobbies, gardening, maybe having a little hobby farm, all kinds of options. Hey there, before you go, I wanted to share with you a great tip if you're thinking about listing your property soon. People love updated kitchens and bathrooms, and as you can see in this home, the sellers did a great update in the bathroom with the white subway tiles, painting the existing vanity a popular color, and a new trend of mixing metals. So you do not have to do a full remodel in the bathroom, but just updating small finishes like faucets and hardware on cabinetry or lighting can go a long way.